After another work week and plenty of research, we're about ready to take the engine out. So Mouse got on helping Matty taking the engine out. I went to the gym. Whilst they're doing that, why don't I take you around the car and show you what we're working with? It's a drive shaft try. What's that? What's that, Mouse? From where? So try again. We have our drive shaft shop shafts because broken shafts, not cool. We've got, as you can imagine, the comp clutch. It's sat here. This is the D2B triple plate. We've got the PPG dog box out. As most of you guys know, Matt usually does all the fabrication. That is, until it comes to this exhaust manifold. The exhaust manifold, absolute sexy. This is done by our friend, the talented Mr. Giz from GizFab. He's also got the Spicy Micro, who competes in Time Attack. Check out GizFab. Massive thanks, mate. She's sexy. Why are these two not wanting to be on camera? Literally hiding. You guys know how much I love Turbo Smart. We have the new Turbo Smart on it. We also have the Straight Gate 50, also from Turbo Smart. Engines out. Here's the savage spec list that makes our D16 Z6 the quickest in Europe. We've got Darton sleeve block, tram pistons, R&R rods with king bearings, Golden Eagle inlet, GizFab exhaust manifold, Turbo Smart 6870 turbo, the Straight Gate 50 in race port, Fueltech FT 600 and Hardwire PDM. PPG 4-speed dog box, comp clutch triple plate, drive shaft shop 5.9 axles. Head over to mrboost.uk, jump on the site, it's clean, easy to navigate. You want a turbo setup? We got you sorted. Check out all the different options, you can even chat direct to Mr. Boost. If we didn't trust it on ours, we wouldn't supply it for yours. Ready for Matt to work his magic and get back on that strip soon. What should we check out next? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more D-Series madness.